Hey guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate an exercise called a sit-through. Again, in this video I'm going to demonstrate an exercise called a sit-through. Hey gang, it's LT here with LT Fit. I just want to remind you, subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, if it adds value to you, definitely like this video because I would really appreciate that. Alright, so let's get started. The sit-through, you're going to be on all fours. Okay, you're going to lift your knees up off the ground. And all you're going to do is take this leg out and sit right here. Your bum is off the ground though. So you come in here, other side, sit out with your leg. So your leg is going straight out here. Your leg is going straight out here. Now if it's too hard for you to lift your arm off the ground, you can keep your hand down the ground and then go out right here. Okay, so keep both hands on the ground and go out right here. All right, let me show you from the front position. All right, back on all fours. I'm gonna lift my knees off the ground, okay? And I'm gonna move the hand and then sit that leg straight out. Again, I'm gonna come this way, arm off the ground, twist, leg straight out. If that's too hard for you, you can go here, keep the feet on the ground, and then twist. Keep the feet on the ground, and twist. All right, so the sit out is a great exercise that works your core muscles. In addition to a lot of the muscles that have to engage, like the quadriceps, your glutes, your lower back. But the main muscle group that you're working is your quadriceps and your core. So if you want a great core workout, definitely try this. First, you want to make sure you can actually plank. If planks are way too hard for you, you don't want to progress to this. This is a movement that should be progressed after you're able to do a plank. All right, so hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this really helped you. And again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thanks.